Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. I always get questions on how do you find breakout trades and reversal trades. So key to me is for finding really good selective trades. And the ones that I like are ones that have a lot of potential momentum. So those are kind of breakouts or reversals. So one thing I do is I use a scanner that I've developed, and this then will scan for a certain chart pattern that I'm looking for, what we call a volatility squeeze. So I can then put this up and it pulls up on this matrix everything that's in a squeeze. Okay, so here's everything in a daily squeeze. And so you can see things like Target, Visa, Dollar General, Skyworks, RH.com, Dollar Tree. So a lot of things are in a squeeze. And what this pattern is a kind of compression, where the markets are consolidating, compressing, coiling sideways, and then they tend to break out either really hard to the upside or downside. So we look for momentum to give us potential direction. So here it's color coded. So if it's green, that means it's positive momentum. So Target, I could just look at this and say, okay, wow, it looks interesting. It could be a squeeze that's about ready to trigger and probably to the upside because it's green. Now also you can see it says the number 27. So that means it's been in a squeeze for 27 bars or 27 days. And also you can see that it's in a squeeze on the 4-hour time frame. So this could be a pretty good trade setup. Now there's some other ones that look pretty decent too. Another one that looks good is Dollar Tree, and just a multitude of others. You also have Home Depot. So let's just flip over and take a look at these patterns next. So here's one that looks pretty good, is Target. So you can see this compression. See how consolidated or coiled this is? This is a daily squeeze. So it's been going on for 27 days. Now, so this is going to either break up or down, and right now the momentum is telling us up. The cycle 1 momentum is positive, so that gives us a probability of direction to the upside. Now, this is my other indicator that I use. This shows everything in a momentum that's positive if it's green. So we've got from the 2-minute all the way up to the daily time frame now is positive momentum, and then the row below shows you what's in a squeeze. It's got a 4-hour squeeze, a daily, and a 2-day squeeze. So that looks good. Another one that looks good is Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree here has been in a squeeze for about 10 days, all right? And you see momentum just shifted up, cycle 1 and 2. Okay, so confirmation of positive momentum. You can see the arrows indicate the momentum shift to the upside. It also has what we call a moving average crossover for 513 EMA. And then I look at my momentum indicators, and today going into the close, everything flipped to the upside. You can see from the 2-minute all the way up to the daily flip positive, and then we still have a squeeze on the 10-minute, 15-minute time frame in the daily. So this has potential for more upside and a potential what we call a big breakout. And the other thing I like to look at then is to look at it on a weekly long-term chart to see what kind of upside potential. You can see here on the weekly it's back above this 200-week moving average, trying to get through these moving averages here, and this has potential to push back up, first target being around $100. So that's one way to find very selective breakout trades and also reversal trades. And if you'd like to learn more about these types of patterns and how we trade them using options, make sure to sign up and join us this Saturday for a free option trading workshop on breakouts and reversals. Good luck trading.